Ganesh Chaturthi special video. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Informative. Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangal Murti Moria. As Ganesh Chaturthi has arrived, so I thought to make a very special video on the topic Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated annually to mark the birth of Lord Ganesha, the god of new beginnings and a fresh start. The festival falls in the month of Bhadra according to the Hindu calendar and in August-September according to the Georgian calendar. Lord Ganesha is considered to be a symbol of wisdom, writing, travel, commerce, and good fortune. He is also addressed as Gajanan, Ganesh, and Gajadant. That are among his 108 names. Now, you all must be having a question that how did Ganesha took birth? So, I'm going to tell it to you all. So, actually, there is a story behind the birth of Ganesha. History. Legend tells the tale of goddess Parvati who made baby Ganesha using sandalwood paste and asked him to guard the entrance while she took a bath. When Lord Shiva wanted to enter, Ganesha would not even allow him to pass through. Lord Shiva, enraged by this, severed the child's head. When goddess Parvati realized what had happened, she was overwhelmed and heartbroken. This is when Lord Shiva promised that he would bring baby Ganesha back to life. He went on to instruct his followers, Ganas, to search for the head of the first living creature they could find to replace on Ganesha's body. However, the Ganas could only find a baby elephant's head. That is how Lord Ganesha came back to life with the head of an elephant. Lord Shiva named him the leader of the Ganas, or Ganpati. The excitement for this 10-day long festival begins weeks before Ganesh Chaturthi, with several people making clay idols of Lord Ganesha and painting them. There is more consciousness in terms of organic choices for the Ganpati idols, as the erstwhile methods have been found to deeply affect marine life and pollute the environment. A Mumbai based group is offering an alternative to plaster of Paris POP via seed balls placed inside Ganesh idols that can grow into plants after immersion. Sprouts Environment Trust since 2015 has run an initiative called God Save the Ocean using ingredients such as corn and vegetable powder in idol making that can easily dissolve in sea water and get consumed by marine organisms. The idols are organically colored with substances such as turmeric, chandan, and geru colored soil to protect the aquatic biodiversity. These eco initiatives are also being followed in Indore and Lucknow, where Ganpati idols have been made using tulsi seeds, giloy, and more. Other initiatives include chocolate Ganesha, proceeds of which are often distributed amidst the underprivileged. Originally, Ganesh Chaturthi is known to be celebrated in a large way in Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh, but the festival and festivities have spread far and wide, with devotees celebrating in other parts of our country with equal fervor. The festival begins with Prana Pratishtha, which consists of chanting of mantras by a priest. Offerings which are known to be loved by God Ganesha are placed in front of his idol. These include modak, shrikhand, pyasam, coconut, rice, motichur laddu, and other sweets. Devotees throng to temples and special pandals set up for Ganesh Chaturthi to pay their respects to the Lord Ganesha. People also sometimes choose to bring Ganpati home ahead of the festival and host him for 10 days festivities. On the 10th day, Lord Ganesha's statue is immersed in water, known as Ganpati Visarjan. Devotees chant Ganpati Bappa Moria, paying respect to him as he is seen off, taking all our worries away and leaving blessings behind. What is the reason behind celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi? Ganesh Chaturthi in Hinduism, 10-day festival, making the birth of the elephant-headed deity Ganesha, the god of prosperity and wisdom. It begins on the fourth day, Chaturthi, of the month of Bhadrapada, August-September, the sixth month of the Hindu calendar. What is special about Ganesh Chaturthi? Ganesh Chaturthi is also known as Vinayaka Chaturthi, is one of the important Hindu festivals celebrated throughout the India with a great devotion. This day is celebrated as the birthday of Lord Ganesha, the elephant-headed son of Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati. The Lord Ganesha is the symbol of wisdom, prosperity, and good fortune. Who started Ganesh Chaturthi? Lokmanya Tilak. In 1893, the Indian freedom fighter Lokmanya Tilak praised the celebration of Sarvajanik Ganesh Utsav in his newspaper Kesari and dedicated his efforts to launch the annual domestic festival into a large, well-organized public event. How was Ganesha born? Ganesha is the eldest son of goddess Parvati and Lord Shiva. Once, when goddess Parvati went to take a bath, she took some turmeric paste and created a human form out of it. She then breathed life into this human form, and thus a boy was born. Parvati accepted the boy as her son and asked him to guard the main gates. What does Ganesh Chaturthi mean? Festivals. Shankshashti Chaturthi is the fourth day of the waning lunar phase after the full moon. Also, Shankshashti means deliverance during troubled times. Hence, observing this fast is believed to reduce your problems, as Lord Ganesha symbols the remover of all obstacles and supreme lord of intelligence. Which animal is vehicle of Lord Ganesha? Dinka the mouse, vehicle of Ganesha, represents speed and sharpness. Parvani the peacock, vehicle of Sankada, represents splendor and majesty. The Hamsa, vehicle of Saraswati, represents wisdom, grace, and beauty. However, the vehicle animal also symbolizes the evil forces over which the deity dominates. Who is Lord Ganesha? Ganesha, also spelled Ganesh, also called Ganpati, elephant-headed Hindu god of beginnings, who is traditionally worshipped before any major enterprise and is patron of intellectuals, bankers, scribes, and authors. Like a rat and like an elephant, Ganesh is a remover of obstacles. What Ganesha means? Lord Ganesh is worshipped first before starting anything new. Lord Ganesha clears the obstacles and paves the way from us to move forward in life. The large elephant head of Lord Ganesha symbolizes wisdom, understanding, and discriminating intellect that one must possess to attain perfection in life. So here we come to an end of our video. I hope so you enjoyed my video. If you enjoyed it, just hit a like and subscribe to my channel. And you can follow me on my FB page and my YouTube channel, Kids Informative.